Hello, I am Sudhanshu and I am gonna explain my methods and approach how I have approached this test problem. So initially I have made an index.html file, named the title to-do list, and I have imported the CSS file that is style.css. Here it is, and I have also imported the font awesome because I need some of the icons of some like that. So I have imported the font awesome script here and also the script.js file. Here it is, and I have imported it at the bottom of the index.html file. So now let's get started with the index file html. So here I have created a division tag for whole of the page and a division tag for the to-do app specific the bar where I will search. This is the search box where we will add the task. Here I have used a placeholder that type your to-do list and the type id is equal to input box and the type is text. And the next part just down the bottom that we have to select some of the options like complete all tasks and clear completed. So we will add that, and here it is clear completed. And the next goes the UL list, and here we will add our list. So whatever is added, that will be added down the list here below the completed all tasks. Now if we come to the CSS file of this, here it is contained to do app. So I have implemented a to do app, and here for the to-do app, that what should be the radius, what should be the padding, what should be the background and max width. So all you can see the padding, the type to-do list is the padding, and this radius is this is the radius border radius, and this and similarly I have made some changes to here. Important part is the list button, list type, how you can add the list and how you can delete the list. So adding a list gonna be some important part. So after doing this all index and as CSS files, I have gone to the JavaScript file, and here I can explain in detail that here this input box, this is the input box that I have taken in the starting. Here you can see the input box. Yeah, here is the idea of the input box. That's the input that we are giving, the task which are giving as input. So that will take the input, and the next is list. Yeah, list container. Here is the list container. Okay, and which I have documented here. So initially we have seen that if it is empty, we will simply send the emoji that you know it's empty. You have to add something at least there. And if it's not empty, then it will create a list there. That's the create element, and it will save it to the inner value input box, right? So we have used the event listener there just to check it that if the target is list, just check it out, checked, and save data. We have to save it, and whenever we will get refreshed, it will go. So we have to store it there. That's why we have used a save data. And even if the narrative is a span, it will also get removed. Now next is save data. As I have said that we have to store it in a local storage just to ensure that the document don't go away. Next is complete task. When we click on complete task, it should get deleted, and that's what we have made it here. And next, the check all tasks. Means when we will click on this, it will at a time only click all the check at a time, and the uncheck all task will automatically uncheck all the things we have checked at a time. And lastly, that's the count. Count will automatically count the functions that whatever how many tasks are there, it will count everything. And so let me show the demo of the file. Like let's say I have added a event here, add event, and I have added it. After adding, let's say I have added one more event. It will automatically create all the complete events at a time, and incomplete will uncheck all the events at a time, and clear completed, it will not do anything until we have checked or ticked all the boxes, and when we clear completed, it will clear all the tasks at a time. So this is the way we are using now. This is the way I am using my to-do list. And if I just submit it without any putting, so it will just show us the warning that at least put something there. And so this is the final conclusion of my video.